Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make delicious Maamoul or cookies with date based. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. We're gonna start with our dough ingredients. I have here 5 cups of semolina. It's around 1 kilo 250 grams. 2 cups of ghee, around 500 grams. 1 cup of white flour. 4 big spoons of milk powder, 2 small spoons of vanilla powder, 2 small spoons of mahla powder, 2 small spoons of baking powder, small spoon of mastic, and quarter small spoon of yeast, 2 big spoons of orange blossom water. These are our dough ingredients, and now let's see our filling ingredients. I have here 1 kilo of date paste. We also gonna need 1 spoon of cinnamon in powder, 1 small spoon of mahlab in powder, and some olive oil. My friends, these are our ingredients, and now let's prepare our cookies. First, we're gonna do our dough. We're gonna add all the dry stuff that we have, the milk, the vanilla, the baking powder, etc., over the semolina. And we're gonna mix all together. Then we're gonna add our ghee. But before we add it, we have to melt it, but not too much. So put it over medium-low heat and leave it until it's melted. Then add it over our mixture. With a spoon, mix all together with the ghee until it's became cold. Then go ahead and mix all together with your hands. Here we don't wanna knead it like making bread. We only wanna stir all the ingredients together with the ghee to make sure that our ingredients get covered with the ghee very well. Again, don't knead it, only mix it with your both hands. Put some of it between your palms and rub it very well, like you see in the video. Keep doing that until all mixed very well. Then cover it, and we're gonna leave it for 2 days. During these 2 days, we gonna rub it 3 to 4 times a day. That's a very important step to make sure that our cookies is gonna be very soft. And this is our dough after 2 days. Now we're gonna make it like a dough. To do that, mix it up with the orange blossom water. Put 2 big spoons in a glass of cold water and mix them together. Then add the mixture little by little over the dough and mix all together. Do not knead it. Do that process until you finish the whole dough. And this is how it look after we finish. Now let's go and prepare our filling. Put the date paste in a plate, open it a little bit with your fingers, add over it some olive oil, the cinnamon and the mahlab, then mix all together like you see in the video. During that process, if you see that the paste stick with your hands, put some olive oil and keep mixing it. After you finish, make small balls from the date paste, and this is our filling. Now let's go and see how to prepare our cookies. Take some of the dough between your hands, a little bit, open it, then put one of the date paste ball in it, close it up, make it like a ball between your hands, then press it and make it a round shape like you see in the video. I have here a small tongue with sharp teeth. With it, I'm gonna decorate my cookie like this. After you finishing decorating it, and with your finger, put it in the middle and make a hole in it. Let's make one more. I have here some wooden shapes. You can make the cookies with it. Make the ball, put it in the wooden shape, press it, then take it out. And you will have this shape. Do the rest of the dough like you see. And if you don't like any shape, you can just leave it with a circle shape with a hole in the middle. And this is our cookies after we finished. We're gonna put it in the oven with 200 degrees from both sides and baked it. That's gonna take around 15 to 20 minutes, but you have to take a look once in a while. And this is our cookies after we done. It's a very delicious, soft, healthy cookies without any sugar in it. But if you want to add more sugar, you can add a sugar powder over it and eat it alone or with coffee and milk, or black tea. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.